Hi, my name is Lindy Bain, and I lecture financial accounting to our third year accounting students at UWA. I'm a qualified chartered accountant with many years of lecturing experience. The University of Western Australia acknowledges that its campus is situated on Noongar land and that Noongar people remain the spiritual and cultural custodians of their land and continue to practice their values, languages, beliefs, and knowledge. So I'd like to give you a little bit more information about the accounting major, reasons to study accounting, talk a little bit about our practical experience that we provide within our degrees, as well as overseas study opportunities and careers beyond graduation. So, what is accounting? Well, accounting is about preparing, but more importantly, analyzing and interpreting both financial and non-financial information for decision making. And that is decision making by people within a business as well as people outside of the business or organization. So accounting is not just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding those numbers. And increasingly, when we think about a business's performance, we're not just thinking about financial information such as the profits, the return on assets, etc., but we're increasingly thinking about non-financial information such as the business's environmental and social performance. So why might you wish to study the accounting major, either as a single major or as a second major? Well, first of all, accounting is the language of business. So to understand a company's performance, we need to understand the numbers. We need to understand whether the company is making profits, whether, if it's not a for-profit company, whether they're bringing in enough money to continue their work as a charity. So understanding accounting definitely helps you understand business. Secondly, studying accounting has great job prospects and good, stable financial rewards. Importantly, if you study accounting, you don't have to be an accountant in traditional accounting type roles. Accounting pairs very well with other majors such as finance, business law, management, and also at UWA, you can pair accounting with majors from other parts of the university, such as design or engineering or something in the medical sciences. So you can tailor your degree, and accounting is extremely useful when combined with these other majors as well as on its own. Studying accounting at UWA, we are accredited by internationally recognized professional qualifications such as Chartered Accountant CPA. So once you've completed your commerce degree with us, you can go on to get those internationally recognized qualifications. And then finally, studying accounting helps you to understand what's going on in the world around you. So much of the news that we hear today has aspects of accounting, whether it's about a business going into bankruptcy or fraud, or whether it's about some environmental disaster that has hit a company, or whether it's about a not-for-profit organization, a charity in the news. And accounting helps you to understand what they're talking about and join in the conversation. So within our Bachelor of Commerce degrees, we enjoy close ties with industry, which means that you'll have the opportunity to have guest lectures from industry people. You'll join in networking opportunities. We also have units such as the business practicum, where you have practical experience as a unit within the degree, and we help facilitate internship opportunities. Within all the different units that make up your commerce degree, we bring in practical examples of real-life companies, not-for-profit organizations, and case studies. For example, in our auditing unit, you'll do a mini audit case study, which is developed together with members of Ernst & Young. During your 3-year commerce degree, studying accounting also allows you to take up the opportunity of studying abroad for a semester or 2. But what about when you finished your accounting degree? What can you do with that? Well, of course, you've got the classic career opportunities, such as becoming a financial accountant, preparing information for the outside world, or a management accountant, preparing information for the managers to make decisions within the business, or a tax accountant. You can also go into management consulting, where you work with teams of engineers and other professionals to assist managers better run their organizations. You might go into auditing, like with KPMG or Ernst & Young, PwC, Deloitte, where you check whether the accounting numbers put out by businesses and other organizations appear to be reasonable. Now, accounting also prepares you for many managerial roles, because accounting is all about using financial and non-financial information for decision making. So it prepares you for management roles, how to assess employee performance, divisional performance, company's performance. Very useful for management roles. You might also want to be your own business. You might want to run your own business, and accounting definitely helps you to make sure that you keep your cash flows and other important key performance indicators sound to keep your business afloat. And of course, there are lots more areas that you can go into. So if you study accounting, it doesn't mean you're going to necessarily be an accountant, but the knowledge that you get will be a great enabler for other career opportunities as well. Another good thing about accounting is that you can pair it with a nice post-grad study. For example, you might want to do an honors in accounting or finance, economics. You might want to study a PhD. You might want to study more in tax law. So there's a whole world of postgraduate opportunities that you can embark on later if you study your accounting in your basic commerce degree. So we look forward to welcoming you to our campus and answering further questions you might have about studying accounting at UWA.